Waka 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 waka. So today I tried doing covers all day long. Didn't work out. So anyways, I got 2 boxes to unbox for you. It's like my first unboxing, but double the fun. You know? Like double mint, spearmint, whatever the hell that gum was. Anyways, so the first one, hey Marissa, is Klutch Club. Now, I don't remember ordering it. I do, but I don't, but I do. I just have bad memory. I thought at first that it was like, you know, makeup stuff, but it's not. So, this is what it looks like, people. Okay. I got Eat Green Tea. Use full contents of this pouch daily by mixing into any food that you eat. Lab tested for purity and potency. Eat Green Tea contains 100% more antioxidants than brewed tea. Eat Green Tea. Might be cool. I like the name of this product. I like a lot of Angie's food, but Boom Chicka Pop sea salt popcorn. It's only 35 calories per cup. Pretty cool. This is interesting. Marissa. Goober. Marissa, they do. I get paid per view, and I also get paid when people click on the ads on my videos. Anyways, I thought these were interesting. They're Snappy Crisps. Good name. Harvest Snaps, original green pea crisp, and they're baked and lightly salted. 40% less fat, good source of fiber, and low sodium. This is 100 calorie pack. Okay, so, you know, I'm going to be eating some peas, and I think that's pretty cool. This is called Powbab. Superfood, power of Baobab. Tasty pomegranate berry dietary supplement. Antioxidants. Vitamin C, E, and A contains raw and unprocessed fruit. 1 chew meets the antioxidant needs of the equivalent of 2 1/4 tomatoes plus 2 1/2 cups of spinach plus half an orange. And these chews are little, but they're still cool. Yeah, there's more. Neo Energy Ultimate Energy Pills. 1 pill equals 1 energy shot. 0 taste, 0 calories, anytime energy booster. Dietary supplement. Now, I'm assuming that this, you know, the reason they put this in here is because it's good for you. It's a healthy type of energy. And definitely try that out tomorrow. Already taking my daily dose. Neo Chill. Suntheanine, clinically tested, reduces stress, promotes relaxation, supports calmness. Something I love. I love products that help me sleep, because when I go to sleep, guys, I'm like, oh, tomorrow, what am I getting in the mail tomorrow? Ooh, samples. Ooh, I gotta do homework. Oh my gosh, does that guy like me? You know, it's just boom, boom, boom. So anyways, yeah, Neo Chill. This one only came with 2. Kind of disappointed. It's not fair. Now this is quite interesting. They're Annie Chun's all natural Asian cuisine roasted seaweed snacks. Grab and go. 5 packs. And look at that. I want to eat one because I will eat one, but let me get. I just want to see, you know, my reaction. They also gave me this, which is really awesome that they gave me this, because I have teeth problems. Daily oral therapy, tooth, gum, tongue, breath, and breath tonic. professional / clinical strength herbal formula that really works. What? Shake 10 times right before use, then pour the entire contents of the oral therapy into your mouth. Swish it, then strain and suck it vigorously between your teeth, both sides, then gargle with it. Then do this all again, then spit it out. You see that last part? Damn it. Do not. Damn it. Do not swallow. Hilarious. Some of you guys may have heard of this stuff. I don't like my camera view. It's called Dream Water. I have actually tried this, and I think it tastes like asshole. But it does work. So, cool. Just don't like the taste of it. And then last thing, another thing for stress and sleep, natural stress relief drink formulated with natural antioxidants, reduces stress without drowsiness, elevates serotonin and dopamine. This drink can make me happy. Literally. Zenify your life. Probably gonna drink it in a little bit. And then you got basically, I have a gift for a day at the spa. Wow. Cool. You know, and these are a $20 gift card at Klutch. And, you know, buy one get one free on a Dream Water. That's dope. That's awesome. I really do think this box was worth what I paid for. It's $10, I think. I ordered it like months ago, but it took a while to get here. Let me put all this stuff back in here, and then I'm gonna try that friggin' weird stuff, man. It's gonna be a long video. I'm really sorry about that. I hope you guys don't give a crap. Okay. So, there's 5 packs of these. I'm scared, y'all. Scared to try this shit. You know what? Real girls carry knives. But yeah, I don't know. Seaweed, I don't know if I've ate it, to be quite honest, before. And dehydrated at that. Okay. Freaking out, man. This is what the package looks like. It says that it's mild. I guess they have, you know, savory roasted Korean seaweed with sesame oil. There's 20 calories in this. I have to actually use my Sensa because I'm eating and doing my Sensa diet. Most of you don't know that, but I am. Just a quick little point. Vote for me on my Neurosonic Challenge. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh my gosh, this looks crazy. Who eats seaweed? And why does it look like this? Okay, it's like acid. Like, what? I'd assume that it's salty, so I'm gonna use the salty part. Okay. So all you gotta do is sprinkle that shit. I'm so scared to try this, you guys. Oh no. Oh, well. No. 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 Do not. That shit was nasty. I'm not feeling that at all. Jack, you want some? Let's see if Jack will eat it, because I bet Jack won't even fucking touch this shit. Come here, Jack. Come here. Want some? Hold on. Get in the camera. Here. He's like, hell no. Oh, wait. You do? You're thinking about it. You're tasting it. Oh. What you gonna do with it? You ain't gonna do shit with it. You don't want to eat it, do you? Oh my gosh, you're eating it. You gross dog. You gross dog. It leaves a disgusting taste in your mouth, like rabbit turds or something. Fucking gross. Anyways, here is the one that I really like this one because it's all organic. And, yeah. And when I do the boxes, they want to know what company, and I'm like, YouTube, because that's what I work for, and so now, yeah. Anyways, when you get a nature box, that's what it looks like. Boom. I got some stickers. Keep calm and nom nom. Stickers. Definitely going on my laptop. Welcome to Nature Box. Tells you about stuff and more stuff. Dude, that was fucking gross. So gross. Okay, so I got some Mesa crisps, corn chips with flax seeds. I'm looking forward to eating these because it's nutritionist approved and it's vegan. Basically because I like corn chips. Flax is alright, so it could be good. I mean, and this is a pretty decent sized bag. This box is $10. Vanilla macaroon granola. Yeah. Granola. All of these are nutritionist approved. That's not this one isn't vegan. I can see almond crisps in it. Now this one I'm really excited about. Pistachio Power Clusters. It's vegan. Nut squares with almonds, cashews, and pistachios. Oh, it's a square. There's squares of it with all of those nuts. You see the square? Little squares. Yeah. Also vegan. So what is that? 1, 2, 3. You get 5, I guess, in a box. These could be really good. These aren't vegan, but they're nutritionist approved. All of it is roasted kettle kernels, honey-coated toasted corn. Yeah. Super excited to eat those. And this is what I'm actually really excited to eat. It's Cherry Berry Bonanza, a medley of dried cranberries, cherries, and blueberries. Vegan. I love craisins, and so why the hell wouldn't this be really awesome to eat? You know? So yeah, and I was looking forward to this for a long time. Really long time. But anyways, those are the boxes. And yeah, I would suggest you try it. Like the Klutch box is $10, and then the Nature box, your first box, is $10. I think your first box is $10, and then like the other ones are like $19.95, and I'm like, nah, dude, nah. But they're like super full sizes, and you get to pick the snacks. But yeah, first unboxing. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, take care. Much love. Mwah. Don't forget to vote for me on Sonic and post some pictures of you doing the shocker. Bye.